breaking news input, top of 3 p.m. NCB has busted 1,127 kgs of drugs from Nanded. The Mumbai NCB team has now headed to Nanded is what we are being told. In fact, we have a reaction coming in from Sameer Wankhede on the same. Listen in.
ये क्या कुछ जानकारी है, किस प्रकार की कार्रवाई और कब की गई?
आज सुबह मुंबई एनसीबी की टीम मुंबई से यहाँ से रवाना हुई है। नांदेड़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट में कार्रवाई की गई है। ये कंसाइनमेंट 1.1 टन्स 1127 केजीज का था, जिसे आंध्र प्रदेश से लाया जा रहा था। उसके बाद जैसे महाराष्ट्र एंटर किया तो उसे इंटरसेप्ट किया गया है मंजराम तालुका में। वहाँ पर जो मुंबई की टीम थी काफ़ी एक आईओ, एक जीआई और बाकी के भी कर्मचारी थे, तो उन्होंने इंटरसेप्ट किया है। इस केस में 2 लोगों को अभी तक इंटरसेप्ट किया गया है। उसके अलावा भी काफ़ी इन्वेस्टिगेशन गति में चल रही है। बाकी के जगहों पर भी वी आर कंडक्टिंग एन इन्वेस्टिगेशन।
सर, ये मूल रूप से कहाँ से आ रहा था और कहाँ कहाँ का इनका एम था वितरण करने का, और कितने लोग अब तक अरेस्ट किए गए और कितने लोग हो सकते हैं?
देखिए, अभी तक तो कार्रवाई चालू है, पूछताछ भी जारी है हमारी, और वहीं माननीय न्यायालय के सामने उनको वहीं प्रस्तुत करेंगे। 2 जने, जैसा मैंने आपसे कहा, अभी तक इंटरसेप्ट किया गया और आंध्र प्रदेश से कंसाइनमेंट आ रहा था। आइडेंटिफिकेशन करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं दोनों साइड से, जो सप्लायर भी और सोर्स। थैंक यू।
मुंबई में कहाँ ये सप्लाई होने वाली है?
बताएंगे आपको, वो जानकारी एक बार और लेने के बाद में बताएंगे आपको।
थैंक यू सर।
So there you heard NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede giving a reaction on that story. But this is, yes, indeed another drugs bust case that we are looking at. Another racket that has been busted by the NCB worth 1,127 kgs of drugs is what we are looking at. And now we are being told that the Mumbai NCB team is headed to Nanded. Yasha, my colleague, is joining us live as she's tracking more developments on the same. Yasha, we heard Sameer Wankhede there giving out certain details. Any arrests that have been made so far? What more do we know?
So there have been 2 arrests that have made in this case, and a 12-wheeler truck is what they've already intercepted. So of this, like you've mentioned, there was 1,127 kgs of marijuana that was seized. Now this is a cross-border operation that the NCB did late last night. In fact, this particular vehicle was going in from Visakhapatnam headed towards Jalgaon, and it is around Nanded area was where this operation was busted, which is why this is a big operation that we see. It's amounting to more than 4 crores is what we understand from our sources in the NCB. In fact, just now we see updates coming in. That is a press release being issued by the NCB on this update, wherein they're saying that the route for this operation was Hyderabad to Nanded, and this ganja, this marijuana, was seized on 15/11. And the case details that they mentioned, they say that this was in Manjaram Taluka of Naigaon, wherein 2 people were intercepted. This consignment was to be delivered at Jalgaon. Now this, they're saying, is a high quality of marijuana that they've seized. In fact, it was early this morning that the updates came in from Nanded. We can see the visuals wherein it was bought in these trucks. That is, these are trucks which are, one such big truck of 12-wheeler which was carrying this entire consignment. Now we see that, in fact, the zonal director Sameer Wankhede said that this is one really big consignment that they have got from Nanded, and because of the cross-border operation, they have to go further and also investigate this case as to who was actually dealing with this. Now, because there are 2 people who've been arrested, they'll be produced before the court, and their further custody would be sought in order to investigate them and get more details about who was actually transporting these drugs. Now, this marijuana, which is more than 100 kgs, is 1,000 kgs, is a high quality marijuana that has been seized. So this, in fact, when we'd spoken off record to the zonal director, he said that this is, in fact, as a response to all who were questioning him, that he's arresting people for 2 and 6 grams of drug, wherein he's referring to the R.N. Khan case. But now this big consignment was done in order to ensure that the NCB has done a big operation, and this was like a response to those who are questioning the merit of NCB, because the value of this drug can be anywhere between 4 to 5 crores is what's being pegged by the sources. Yes.
Oh yes, so we are looking at yet another big drug bust in Maharashtra itself, with the Mumbai NCB team now headed to Nanded. More than 1,000 kgs of drugs have been seized. Yasha getting us all those details. Thank you for the moment, Yasha.